3D printing can be used to print molds. It has been used to create everything from prosthetic limbs and dental implants to fashion accessories and musical instruments. 3D printing can be used to print food. NASA is experimenting with 3D printed pizza for astronauts. 3D printing can be used to print structure. The world's largest 3D printed structure is a 45-foot long. The bridge was printed in 450 hours and assembled on-site in just a few days. 3D printing can be used to print in space. The company, Made in Space, sent a 3D printer to the International Space Station, allowing astronauts to print tools and replacement parts on demand. 3D printing has even been used to create human organs. Scientists have successfully printed functional liver and heart tissue using a patient's own cells.